I'm proud to say I've actually implemented some. You're gonna want to reflect on how the previous year, personal goals, financial goals, spiritual goals, and invest in yourself.
When it's my truth, I own, I speak, it don't make sense now.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Desiree Simone, and I'm back with another video. Hey. In today's video, I not only want to show you guys how to make a digital vision board for your computer and your iPhone or your phone wallpaper, but of course I want to actually share with you guys how 21 treated me. And that actually welcomes you guys to my first video of my Becoming a Better Me series. I'm so excited about this. So briefly, what this series will be about, I'll be taking you guys along through my journey of becoming a better version of myself than I was last year, last month, last week, even yesterday. So the reason why I started this series is because I discovered that there's a lot of things I need to work on, such as discipline, consistency. Y'all can see that through my channel, through the years I've had it. And being intentional with the new habits that I am wanting to implement in my daily life, which I'm proud to say I've actually implemented some that are on my 2022 vision board already. So, yay. But I know these things will get me closer to my dreams and goals. So if you guys are wanting to see how this journey goes and actually want to follow along with me, or to just jumpstart this year, then keep watching. I will be creating a playlist for this series, so those videos will always be in the description box boxes below. So why did I decide to make a digital vision board instead of a physical vision board? So physical vision boards can only be seen in that one area that you put it. Unlike a digital vision board, you can see it on any device that you decide to put it on, which most people would be on their phone and on their computers. With a digital vision board, it is a constant reminder of what you are wanting your 2022 or whatever year you are looking at this video to be like. But before I show you guys how to make this digital vision board, let's figure out what we want this year to be like. So by figuring out what you want this year to look like, you're gonna wanna reflect on how the previous year, which 2021 was for you. So for me, I'm actually gonna start at the end of 2020 because that's actually when I started working on myself mentally and spiritually. Two examples are I started going to Celebrate Recovery and joining a step study. It is a Christ-centered group.
So the focus is surrendering yourself to a higher power, which is Jesus Christ, as a means to rebuilding your life. So from day one, as a new member, you pick up a blue coin and you're asked to surrender and celebrate God's healing power. Yes, it does sound like a cult, but I promise it's not.
Some of us, such as myself, went there for hurtful relationships. That could be with a significant other, family, friends. That can be with anybody. And another one was codependency, learning how to be okay being by yourself. You have to love yourself before you expect someone else to love you. And that is something that I am working on. And that is something that I actually learned in Celebrate Recovery. That wasn't the reason why I went. I figured that out during my journey. But let's get into step study. Step study is which I'm reading exactly right off of Google. It's a personal journey through each of the 12 steps of Celebrate Recovery in a confidential group led by a facilitator who has completed the study. Through your first step study, you go through 4 books. You're with the same gender. It's an open shared group. So when you finish the study, you have worked on your hurts, habits, and even hang-ups through each of the 12 steps, which I've only done the first 4. So to show you guys the books, here's the first one. It says Stepping Out of Denial into God's Grace. And then the second book, Taking an Honest and Spiritual Inventory. The third one is Getting Right with God, Yourself, and Others. And Growing in Christ While Helping Others. So I just want to show you guys those. Like, I actually went through step study just in case you didn't believe me. If you all are still watching to this point, please hit that subscribe button and that bell button so you don't miss any more of my videos, and give this a like if you're actually liking this type of content, because it lets YouTube know they should push out my videos more. Comment down below if you guys want a designated video talking about my journey going through Celebrate Recovery and step study. I can definitely do that for y'all. But overall, last year I can't complain too much. I found my soulmate. His name is Cortland. You guys will meet him shortly. We'll do a video together soon. But we've traveled a lot. I've made new friends. I can't complain too much. There are just things that I've started working on that I have started to lack while in a relationship that he has pointed out and I have pointed out. I was still in Celebrate Recovery and step study all the way up until like May or June of 2021. So after reflecting how last year went, it's now time to actually write what you're wanting this year to be. Personal goals, financial goals, spiritual goals, business goals. What are your dreams? What are you wanting this year to look like? What is your dream life? What is your dream routine? Once you write these down, it's time to make your vision board then. So what I'm gonna do is show you guys how to make the digital vision board and then go over how mine's look and what it means to me to give you guys some inspo. Hey y'all, so future me. I ended up not liking how that footage came out, so I'm deciding to record this again. A few updates. Obviously my hair is different, of course. I got my natural hair out. But on a real note, I did update my computer. So I do have the new 2021 MacBook Pro with the M1 chip, the 14-inch. Plus, I've updated my editing software to Final Cut Pro. And I'm not going to talk too much. Let's go ahead and just get into it. And thanks for still watching till this point of the video. So to create a digital vision board, you're going to be using 2 free websites / apps, and one is where you're going to get your inspo from, and that is Pinterest. You can also use Google, but I highly recommend to use Pinterest. And if you are not aware what Pinterest is, it is a free website that you can literally find like any photo, any quotes, any type of inspo, aesthetic, basically anything. So highly recommend Pinterest. And the website we will be using to organize our pictures or quotes or whatever you want to use for your digital vision board will be Canva. So Canva is a free website and app that you can design free products, logos, graphic designs, and so much more, even thumbnails that most of us content creators actually use. I currently use Canva to make my thumbnails, which they do have a free version and a pro version. Currently at this moment, I am still using their free version. So after thinking of things that you really want this year, goals you really want to achieve, whether they are big or even small, it is time to make our digital vision board. So I'm gonna actually go ahead and share my screen on my computer. You can do this on your phone, but I like working with a bigger screen. All right, well, the first step you want to do is open up Pinterest. Literally, you can make a free account. I kind of suggest you to create a board if you want to just start collecting inspo throughout however long it takes you. For you to do that is, I'm just gonna pick one picture right here on the left. Fall in love with the process of becoming the very best version of yourself. If you click on this down arrow, you can see the ones that you already have if you have them. If not, you will see this create a board, and you can literally name it 2022 vision board, which I have right here, which is private, but you can make it public if you want others to see. I accumulated pictures, quotes throughout the time of me putting my digital vision board together. So let me show you an example of how to actually just download it. We're gonna go ahead and just put consistency in, which you guys can see right here. Put that into search. I'm gonna go ahead and scroll down to see which one I like. And one that I see that's actually on my digital vision board is this one right here. I'm gonna go ahead and click on it, and for you to download it, you click on these three dots and click on download image. I'm not gonna go ahead and do that because I already have it, but you're gonna do that for every picture quote that you want to have on your digital vision board. I'm gonna show you guys one more. This one's gonna be golden doodles. I'm not sure when I'm going to get golden doodles puppies. I don't know if I want one or two. I can't find the same picture, but I think you guys get my drift. But I'm gonna go ahead and click on this. Actually, I'm gonna click on this cute picture right here. Boom. And again, three dots and download image, which will be in your downloads on your computer. You're gonna do that for everything. The great thing about digital vision boards is you can literally change your photos at any given time. So go ahead and find things that represent each item on your list that you want to achieve this year. And now it is time to put all those pictures onto Canva. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up Canva. All right, for a computer template, you want to use YouTube thumbnail, but if it's not on their homepage, go ahead and just type in YouTube thumbnail, and you can literally click on create a blank YouTube thumbnail. But if you're only wanting to make this for your phone, they got you there too. Literally type in phone wallpaper and boom. I say it's the same as Instagram stories, but if you really just want to make sure, go ahead and just type in phone wallpaper. We're gonna again click on blank phone wallpaper. So how you're going to actually add these photos into Canva is on the left, you're going to go to uploads and then go to upload media and go to your downloads and find those pictures. But for me, I have already added them here. So if you want to add any to the canvas, go ahead and just click on the photo and boom. Explore, because I'm really wanting to travel. Look, I'm trying to get out of Fort Wayne. I'm trying to just explore the world. Okay, who's with me? But you can go ahead and just size it the way that you want to. This is honestly where you can get creative. You can stack them. You do it the way that you want to do it. The only downfall with the free version with Canva is you can't remove the background. So I do have another free way to remove backgrounds. What you're going to want to do is go on to Google or Safari, whatever you use, and type in remove background, search, and it's literally the first one besides the ad, which says www.remove.bg, and go ahead and click on remove background. And what you're going to want to do is literally upload the image. We're just going to upload an image. Gonna use this one. If you guys haven't noticed, this picture is from my intro. So it shows you what it's gonna look like, and literally just click on download. So that's a free way of removing the background, but I think I'm going to be upgrading very soon. You do have a free 30-day trial. Highly suggest y'all to do that, because I'm about to switch over. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add some more pictures on here just so you guys can see how I do this. This inspo reminds me of getting a beautiful home or an apartment. Your girl's trying to get into crystals. I would make the picture bigger first and then click on crop and literally crop it to where you want them to be. Boom. Literally, you can stack them over it. Literally, this is where you have fun. This one, I'm gonna make it bigger to crop it because I don't need all that space in the background. Then done. Bring that over here. Literally, I'm just putting it somewhere, y'all, but I think you guys get my drift of how you can rearrange your digital vision board. But if you guys are trying to resize it, unfortunately you can't do it with the free version, but you can do it with the pro version. But if you're okay with just starting a new blank canvas, that's where you go back to phone wallpaper. These are the pictures that you've already put into Canva. Literally just add them onto there. It's kind of a pain. Remember, the point is this digital vision board is to remind you every day of what you want to achieve this year. Before I end off this video, I do want to take it a step further and show you guys how you guys can put a filter on it if you guys want to. I use Lightroom, and then I downloaded free presets from YouTube, free presets for Lightroom Mobile, and they give you quite a bit. You have to watch the whole video because it comes on the top right. They show you like codes that you would have to put in once you click on their website. It's really easy. I have 2 of them. Boom and boom. I went ahead and used this one, and I kind of just tweaked a little bit of it. So let me go ahead and show you guys with my phone of how I did it. Like I said, Canva is also an app, so go ahead and just download Canva and log in. You know, that whole widget thing that people did, and I did that on my phone. So boom, boom. But I'm gonna go to Canva right here. I'm going to go to my digital vision board. Now what you're gonna want to do is click on that download symbol right up here with the arrow down and the line. Click on save. Now Lightroom is free. I use the free version. I'm not going to show you guys how to actually add the presets. They have tons of videos on there. I want to show you guys if you guys like that aesthetic look. Clicking on this picture with the plus sign right here and just added it. Going to click on presets, which is the Thabang Malaba. I have no idea how to actually pronounce that. And boom, now everything looks like more cohesive. I do have this dark and brown, but that does not look cute at all. So I'm gonna do this one. Now again, I can go in here and change the lightness of it, the exposure. Bring it down a little bit. Boom. The check just to save everything. And then press the download button. Export to camera roll. And if you don't have a Apple computer, which I did have a Windows, the best way to transfer like your pictures onto your computer is literally put it right back into Canva, and you can get on the website on your computer and download it onto your computer. But if you have an Apple, of course, you can just airdrop it, which is really great. Been loving that. So to go over my digital vision board with you all, to give you guys some more inspo. Of course, I've already told you about the golden doodle puppies. Hopefully I do get maybe 1 or even 2. So another thing is invest in yourself. Meditate, read, eat healthy food, drink water, move your body, spend time in nature, rest up, and a reminder of you are worthy. All of those things I'm trying to work on my mental health, of just a positive mindset, plus just moving my body. As you guys can see over here, I got yoga. I have a gym right over here, a treadmill. So your girl's trying to get back into the gym. Eat healthy. I got Eat the Rainbow. Even with the yoga, I have for meditate too, to go with that. Read. I do have the Holy Bible because I am trying to get back into reading the Bible. And also for the eat healthy food, your girl needs to cook. And you are worthy kind of corresponds with money, subscriber counts for this channel, Desiree Simone, and also for my beauty channel, which is Diva Desiree. Now the pictures on here do not match the same. I just was lazy to not change them, which I might later on, which that's the good thing about digital vision boards. If you guys did not know about my beauty channel, I will be having fashion, skincare, hair, makeup, and even unboxing videos. I have a lot of unboxing videos on there as of right now, but I am wanting to be more consistent with that channel too, not just this channel. So if you're interested in that type of content, go ahead and go subscribe to that channel. Plus traveling, meeting more like-minded friends to build each other up, more tattoos, just overall just becoming a better version of myself. That wraps up today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I can't wait to see how much I have accomplished at the end of the year, because I will be doing a video on what I've accomplished from this 2022 digital vision board. So I am super excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, thank you for staying up to this point. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell notification. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.